Hey, Kimber, Poppy here. I remember the first video when you were talking about getting that South Bend milling machine. You said that all kinds of people told you don't do it. I wanted to comment and ask you, did they mean that whole model line or that specific individual specimen of it? Uh, I figured it out that headstock, motor, and pulley arrangement is why you've got those two set screws holding your Cat 30. Is that a Cat 30? And you can't use a draw bolt. In your last video, you said something about get a Bridgeport head and mount it on that ram on that South Bend milling machine. I was going to tell you, do that. Now you quibbled about moving that whole machine from wherever. All you want is the head, right? And knobs, hand wheels, levers. If there's a vise or any tooling involved, I mean, all the parts you want, put them in the truck. You know, the head can ride shotgun with you, and tooling on the floor. And crates there. Vice. Well, I can go in the back of the pick 'em up. Once you got all the parts you want, they're in the truck. You've got that thing on the trailer. Find the nearest metal recycling center. Back that trailer in and say, hey, cast iron. Boom! You've got the parts you want, and that rest, the base, the knee, the saddle, the table, all the parts you didn't want to move. They're someone else's problem now. You got rid of them. And frankly, I listened to that headstock on that mill, and it sounds to me like your bearings are shot. And I see the tool shank of that fly cutter you were using. It was going and there wasn't the fact that the nut holding the collar, holding the fly cutter, but the part of the spindle above the nut was going. Bearings are shot, man. Maybe take the head off and dissect it. When you find out you can't find no bearings for that, il predicto. Il predicto. You ain't going to be able to find, or if you can find them, you can't afford the bearings for that South Bend milling machine head. So Bridgeport or Bridgeport clone head and other small parts becomes more viable, especially for your sanity. Think about how hard the brick wall you'd be banging your head against from all the heartache and expense of trying to fix that South Bend milling machine head. Chuck it. That's right. Just get rid of it. I mean, smarter people than me have told you, don't touch it. So cut its head off, kill it. Now that power feed gearbox for the table, that is interesting. Especially considering the fact that that's factory. But that conforms to KISS. That's a rule in engineering. K dot I dot S dot S dot. Keep it simple. Stupid. They kissed it all right. I mean, it's a different notation on how fast the table's moving. Every other milling machine I've seen is how many inches per minute. And at South Bend, it's how many thousandths of an inch per revolution. Of course, it isn't revolution of the cutter because there's an electric motor spinning that. But it's got a much wider range than most of the power feeds I've seen for that style of milling machine. Not brand, style. Okay. Anyway, I really think you'd enjoy your mind much better if you get rid of that South Bend head and put a Bridgeport clone head there. Just make a nice adapter plate, 1-inch steel. Have someone surface grind it after you've drilled the holes and countersunk. Leave yourself enough room so that you can have someone surface grind both sides. Bolt it up, bolt the other side up. Be able to tilt. I have to put a new 0 in with a chisel and hammer, but I think you can handle that. Anyway, good night from California, Kimber. Good luck with that milling machine, especially if you do what I suggest. Then you really better have good luck, or I'm going to look like a real idiot. Good night.